toast. It is a wonderful breakfast treat. You can have whatever you like on it. Butter, jam, marmalade, chocolate spread if you're a bit naughty, or perhaps even a bit of Marmite. You might be wondering, what on earth has toast got to do with evidence-based practice? And so what you're going to see the next video is a little introductory flavour of what you can expect from my 12-week set of open educational resources on evidence-based practice. And the goal of these lectures is to give you a sense of how to find, to identify, how to evaluate, how to synthesize, and how to apply evidence. And crucially, this first section, the first lecture I've ever done holding a piece of toast, is all about claims of evidence and indeed what constitutes evidence. So in this case, there's been lots of claims recently about whether the choice of toast topping that we choose for breakfast can have an influence on things like our mental health. So perhaps we can keep anxiety away if we chose to have a bit of Marmite rather than a bit of butter. What do you think? We're going to tackle this in the lecture coming up, and you'll be able to find all the resources. So if you're an educator, you can run this 12-week course yourself, available via the Open Science Framework with the link down below. Check it out, grab yourself a piece of toast, and I'll see you on the other side.